Yo, what's up? This is the first vlog. Today, we're going to pick up a limousine. If you know me or have seen any of my videos before, you've probably seen the E38 convertible videos. I wish I had a YouTube channel when I filmed those because it would have been really fun to document the process. But I think this is gonna top that with the ideas I have in mind. My tire is destroyed on this car, like on wires. And we have a 3-hour drive, so I'm going to run quickly and grab a different wheel and throw on here and go pick up the limo, baby. See, it was getting there. There's a couple metal showing and stuff. All right, now we're heading to go pick up a couple people to help me drive the limo back the 3.5-hour drive. So I'll see you when we get there. Look at this fucking idiot. Oh, what's good, boy? It's time, but we're in traffic. This is the perfect time to just do something.
Should I get out?
Yeah. Go.
Should I go
hit
ahead?
A roller.
Oh my god.
Go interview.
You're an idiot. I didn't know you were about to do all that.
I didn't know it was either. Hey, check it out. We ready? Oh shit! Limo coming soon, boy. Oh shit! Oh my god! I'm taking that shit home right now. All right, so let's check it out. Let's crank her up. See how she sounds.
Smooth as butter.
Let's go check
All
it
right.
back. How is it?
Dude, let me fucking tell you, bro.
Get up there.
Let me tell you guys something. Dude, there's a TV.
I told you, it works, it
Let's
works.
get in there.
Dude, in the HDMI cord, we're plugging the Xbox in, buddy.
I found out we're getting to Gatlinburg this year.
Dude, Rob, what are we using these handles for?
Dude, this thing's tough. The TV.
The lights on.
I know.
Controls are here.
Alright, I'm gonna fucking drive it. We're traveling around the world. This thing got radio? Or speakers?
I'm not sure. I haven't tried it.
Oh yeah, turn that bitch up.
You forward? Fucking Rob is so far away.
We're in the same car, but y'all are so far.
Oh shit, we got gum.
Oh, free.
Hell yeah.
Free gum. You got scammed.
Loading up and trucking. Are we gonna do what they say can't be done?
Alright, so it's been my first time driving the limo. Diesel drove it all the way to here. So it's got no AC and I'm gonna be sweating my ass off, so I got water and we got about another hour and 40-minute drive. Ooey gooey butter cake I'm putting y'all on. This thing drives so good, surprisingly, for how cheap of a shit box it is. The dash is digital. So we just made it back on my side of town, so I'm gonna go take it to a parking lot and just see if it'll even kick out. If it'll kick out, then I'll know that there's actually some hope, but I'm just worried that there's it'll have too much grip, because these rear tires that the previous owner put on it are fucking 305s, so we're gonna just see what happens, I guess. Nothing. Since the rear wouldn't kick out on the 20-inch wheels on 305s, I'm reverting it all the way back to stock. They're on like 195s or 205s. I'm basically just gonna air those up to like 60 to 80 PSI, something, whatever I feel comfortable with without exploding my face. And then I'll try to run it back. And then currently in here, I have my girlfriend cleaning the car. You hear the vacuum. The inside's actually super nice, so that's where we're at now with it. And yeah, I don't know if you can see me right now, but we're going to go pick up everybody, all my friends, and we're gonna go to Cookout right now and mess around with the limo. All right, we just pulled up. I didn't even know this thing had these lights on the outside. We got on the inside looking so nice. So all right, let me get some reactions. What do y'all think of it at night?
It's a solid 20-footer. No, first impressions, it's like really nice.
This is his real first time seeing it,
For
so.
$2,000, this is incredible. Like, honestly, for $2,000, where can you find a running, driving limo?
Exactly.
That has a TV working on the
Exactly. Roku TV. I put the stock wheels back on, as you can see, and they drive way better than the 20s. Here comes Blake right now. What you think?
Hell no.
You like it?
You got the back of the limo. This motherfucker actually pretty nice. We got... Can you take us to Cookout, sir? Sir, can you take us to Cookout?
Yeah, that'll be $300,000 fucking dollars.
What the fuck?
Hey, Blake. Mr. Blake.
Use code wishes.
Use code wishes on every platform. All right, what's your thoughts? What's your thoughts on it? On the limo so far?
I'd give it a 7.8 out of 10. Needs AC,
Yeah.
but it's fine.
How is it, bro?
If this thing had AC, 10 out of 10.
All right, everybody.
Yeah, we like that.
Come on out.
I hope y'all enjoyed the ride.
I don't know if you heard us.
It's Rhino Line.
I don't know if you heard us. We got the window down a little bit, so we got some airflow.
Yeah.
Yo,
New yard stickers.
let's put it on right now, right down the glass.
First mod on the Limousin, other than the stock wheel mod.
Someone line me up.
Yeah, someone line them up.
I got you.
So line them up.
Yeah, I'm gonna line them up.
No. It might be a little crooked. Yeah, it's very crooked. Fucking Rob, dude.
Shout out Team Like Sweat. You made those.
I need a
I
brand.
I applied
brands
for
out
it
there?
like 3 months ago.
I would like
I sent them my education.
$20,000 investment, and I'll put your
I could give you a
brand
pair.
down the
They were
side
like,
of both
yeah, cool, we
sides for the
sponsored.
entirety of the Erd baby, best filmers in Atlanta.
Unrendered with
Use
an
code
X.
Squid. Use code Squid at Erd checkout.
It's just their DMs. All right.
I mean, I got it like that, but I don't have
Peace out night 2.
Peace out. Okay, so current situation over there. I jumped the curb.
He did jump the curb. I was following.
Right here, these cars have a fuel pump shut-off switch. I'm guessing the switch is faulty, and we're stuck here. It won't start. And my goal is, what I did was I cut the wires to the switch. I'm gonna strip them both with some scissors I found. Hopefully, we're gonna twist them together, and that will bypass the switch, and we'll be good. Check the time. What's the time on the phone?
Like 1 o'clock.
103.
Oh my god, brother.
All my boys gotta be up early, but they stick around to help. Real ones. Alright. Technically, if everything is right, technically these should be bypassed. Now I'm gonna take the key. If it doesn't work, we're fucked. We're gonna have to get the tow. I'm gonna sell it thing. Come on, please, God, work. Fuck. Well, no, it's fine. There's a YouTube video on it.
All I'm saying, and as Mr. Squid just said, as long as it's in or on YouTube, we can do it. Who's gonna match Rob's freak? Put it in the comments down below. We cannot put that.
Okay, so we couldn't get the thing to crank, so we're gonna use the truck, tow strap, and we're gonna pull it about 15 minutes home.
Yeah, so this is what we're dealing with right now. I'm just controlling the brakes. Hey, fuck this light. We're going through it, unfortunately. Fuck the light.
It was excellent driving. We good. It was a good probably 20-30 minute drive, just going 20 miles an hour the whole way. It's 2 a.m., 3 a.m., no cars on the road. Tomorrow I'm gonna come back and hopefully get some fuel to it.
One more try for the road.
Yeah, one more try. Let's see.
Maybe some gas.
Okay, fast forward 2 or 3 weeks, maybe a month from the last time you guys saw it. We figured out the problem. Shout out to my buddy. I'll put his on here. He does mobile mechanic work. His name's nick.fishback on Instagram. He came through and fixed it. The problem ended up being the power wire to the fuel pump actually knocked loose when I bumped over the curb. It had like rodent damage previously, so they just put the wire back together, taped it up, and now we're back in business. She's purring. All right, we just aired the tires up as high as we possibly could. I don't have a PSI checker, so I just aired it up until I felt like it was about to blow my face. And we're gonna try to slide this thing again, so that'll be what happens next. And we've got my girlfriend Jordy here joining us, and John with his M3 up there. So yeah, let's go. We found a disc in the limo, so he gonna hit the long shot. Oh, that's good. Oh! First step, we're gonna put in first gear and just see if it can spin the tires. All right, so that's step one. We'll do it
Try
right
to
now.
just do a burnout. Try to just do burnout.
No.
Alright. It wants to flip, bro. That's what it wants to do.
It looks like it's about to roll over like a fucking big ass metal hot dog.
The exhaust is so long, it's cracking me up.
You should definitely cut that off. Straight piping the limo next video. Oh my god. It almost did it. It almost worked. Yo, do a J turn.
I had a J turn. There's two ways it's gonna go. It's gonna kick around, or it's gonna go straight into a curve. ABS gonna kick in, and it's just gonna roll me into something.
You need way more speed than that.
But I'm gonna flick it into gear and go.
All right, try that. It looked clean, honestly.
Like, did I keep going good?
Yeah.
Okay, I figured out how to do a burnout.
What?
Neutral drop. I'm gonna go a little faster.
This shit is so long. It's so funny. That was fucking perfect.
What? What?
It's smoking.
It's a cess.
Oh. Oh, I see it. Do that again. Oh. Oh.
Wait, where's it coming from? Oh,
Under.
it's way underneath.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, that's good. Let's open this up for a little bit more power.
I think I want to do the neutral drop and then just try to get it home
Try.
with the brakes.
That hurts really bad.
What the fuck happened? It did a burnout for a second. Rob's gonna get here and it's already gonna be immobilized. Oh, I see what happened.
What, belt move?
Look at the fan.
Oh.
So you have no power steering, no brakes, no fan. We've been here for 5 minutes, if that.
Let me try to move it and see what happens.
We broke it already.
It's fucked.
One of the brake lines exploded and it's like spitting straight onto the headers.
And then I neutral dropped it and the fan flew off, destroyed all the belts and pulleys, and everything's fucked.
We've been here.
It's the worst.
We got
one.
here maybe 10-15
I hit a
minutes ago.
sick ass J turn.
So, your fan is actually off.
Yeah.
Like,
Oh, and the
how did you do that?
shaft is bent.
Yeah, you
for
bent the
fan.
shaft
I
too.
don't actually know what to do with this thing.
my friends destroy my limo.
One thing I can recommend doing right now is we need to like pull apart this. We need to get the fan off.
I say you just take the fan off and just send it.
We have a
'Cause-
cowling.
Well, that's only.
Wait, it's coming off.
So just don't pop.
It's still attached. Oh.
I don't know. Don't pop.
How did that even happen?
I don't. How did you do that? Like
Neutral drop.
Somehow
drop
an-
at like what RPM?
Max red line. I'm just gonna try to drive it somewhere safe and leave it for the night, and hopefully have a mechanic pull up and fix it. That's the plan. So we're gonna try to drive it, and let's just see what happens.
This thing sounds horrible.
We're gonna leave it here and hopefully get it fixed and mess around with it some more. Okay, Fishback came in clutch once again. Got us going perfect. Ready to go. It's raining, it's wet. This is the perfect weather. We're gonna go drift it right now. Next clip, it better be sideways or else I'm not posting this. Go! Y'all wanna go, let's go to the other one real quick.
All right.
It felt like it kicked out, bro. All right, next place. All right, let's fucking go.
I think the concrete's the move. Holy fuck. Low key, you're pouring smoke. Go ahead and pop the hood. Oh yeah, there it is.
I fucking knew it! I fucking knew it! I fucking knew it! I literally knew it! I knew it! I fucking knew it! These guys weren't asking for a third.
We texted them. We said we're thirsty. Can you please bring water? Because we didn't want them to just leave.
Robert goes, you said get a gallon. Dude, why the fuck did it need a gallon of water?
It was funnier because we didn't want y'all to just bail because it overheated.
We're gonna bail either way. You should have said, hey, because I would have got the gallon, but I was like, dude, they're not gonna want to drink all 4 of them out of a gallon.
How much water did that thing lose?
All of it.
That's good. Who's here?
That's gotta work now. I'm here.
You think a little Gatorade will be okay in there?
I mean, might as well try it.
Yeah, I think he needs
Electrolytes.
Yeah, the electrolytes are gonna get it going.
Alright, we've gone to Jurassic measures to make them not leak. We got the cheapest stuff they have in the entire store. There's a 100% win rate that this is gonna work, by the way.
What's up?
Surprise!